Well, let's see how far we get. She's a blowing. Yeah, I'm in the fuel line backwards. I had to throw some stuff in the trash. Might be in a blizzard. Yeah, I did. I bought that. Hear that racket?
Yeah, come on.
Had to do something. My other one, the cord burned up, so 100 and let's see what that cost. Let's see what that cost me. Cost the company $134.76. I just bought the cheapest one I could find. Well, waiting on I-40 to open. Yeah, look at my hair. I've been putting that thing in. That's a booger. Waiting on I-40 to open back up. Then we're going to roll. Well, made it all the way out of Tennessee, Kentucky, Indiana to Illinois. The thing is now, it is 8 degrees. Do you idle your truck all night? Or do you put it in optimal idle? What do y'all people do? This is my first winter ever having optimal idle. But it being as cold as it is right now, I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to let her run. I did put a jug of octane something. What was that stuff? Something supplement, you know, for D-gel. I bet that stuff at the Pilot would have cost you $18. $11. It was in a white jug. Had 911 on it. Alrighty, that's all I got. Stick around and see what happens. Oh yeah, I bought me a hat. How much did I pay for that hat? $9. That's the first one I bought this in a while. That wind blowing up here, Lord have mercy. Call it pug. Alright, see y'all later. Time to eat and relax. Y'all, the Loves in Floyd, Iowa, come into the clutch to get me some depth fluid. That's how much I bought, 15 gallon. Or right around 15 gallon. Here's the receipt. Alright, let's head on up here and get this load. That's one less thing off my mind to do. I might not be the smartest man in the world. See these crushed red pepper packets? I got the bright idea to open one up, shoot it in my mouth, going down the road. This is a PSA. Please don't do that. Unless you like something real hot and spicy. I thought it'd just be, oh Lord. Tore my little mouth out of the frame. Alright, stick around, let's see what happens next. Where's that thing at? See right there where I twisted that thing off? Just down it went. Hey, hey, hey. I can't believe I did that. Oh well. Let's see what happens next. I want y'all to look how salty my truck is. I mean, it's... I need a coupon for the Blue Beacon. Well, I'm making this video because I'm about to show y'all something. Let me get the door open. Two jugs, one jug, and all that. Two windshield wipers. Now, we know how a truck stops charge so much. What do you think I got invested in that? I'm at the dollar store this morning getting some grits. Just let me know.